Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CERU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good, solid move for the bulls. Sure, the price did pull back, but where it closed here relative to where it was yesterday, I think everybody can agree, all right, yeah, good, solid day on the bulls' part. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that level is right here at, what is that? 75 cents. Why is 75 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 75 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress as time goes by, and I'm just defining quote-unquote progress as staying up above 75 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Just going to focus on one level of resistance here, and I'll explain that in a second. And that level is right here at the dollar mark. You can see right there quite a bit of congestion, which makes sense. I mean, the dollar always seems to act as a psychological level of resistance anyways. And the reason I'm just going to focus on one level of resistance because in my mind, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority right now. Top priority for the bulls is just building higher bases, going through healthy consolidations, because as long as higher lows are built, long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it. Nice day today. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.